question.
So, who have you heard today?
The cheese cracker factory owner's son.
That's my boyfriend.
I'm sorry. I'm very, very sorry.
You're screaming all fast. Well, I married an alien named Jim.
What? How could you? You know I love aliens. Wait,
Aww.
what's his name? His full name, Jim Pullman.
I don't know, I think so. He looked like a one, smelled like one too. He.
That's my uncle.
Your uncle? Wait, what?
Wait, okay,
Where?
okay, you're here.
No, I stalked him. His girlfriend murdered him.
What? I stuck this guy, this named Bob. He's hot.
Oh.
Oh, Cincinnati?
I don't know, I think so.
That's my new boyfriend.
You cheated on the cheese cracker factory's owner's son?
No, you murdered my boyfriend to now from 3 seconds ago. Bob is my boyfriend.
Oh, congrats!
Thank you. We were going for our first date.
Oh, me and my BF are like totally going on our 57th date.
That's so cool. I'll talk to you later.
Later!
This movie.